So welcome back to Outdoors with the Morgans. It's another beautiful winter day here today in Pennsylvania. I'm out here in the woods cutting some firewood, and I got to thinking, there's really not too many other places I'd rather be than right here, right now. I really enjoy getting out here on a cold winter day and cutting wood. I don't know why, I just do. I got another nice jag of wood there in the bucket. I'll take that over to the splitter and we'll split that up real quick. But this is from a tree that I dropped yesterday. This one was real squirrely. I got another one laying back there, plus a bunch of big limbs that had broken off over the years. This general area right here, I could spend a lot of time. There's a bunch of wood, you know, just on like an acre of ground right here. There's probably 3 or 4 cords of wood just laying on the ground or dead trees. So it's nice and flat back here. And when the weather's like this, I can come right back here with the tractor, gather this stuff up and keep splitting, which I need to. So I mentioned before that I get phone calls literally every single day. As a matter of fact, today I got 2 from people looking for firewood. I don't know what's going on, why nobody has wood this winter. It hasn't been real cold until the last week or so, but a lot of people around here, they burn in the summer months a lot as well, like out on their patio. And I don't know if, you know, as many people aren't cutting wood or what, but everybody's looking for firewood. I can't help them out this year. I tell them to save my number. I keep their number, and what I'm going to do is next summer just check in with all these people. A lot of them are new customers. Most of my regular customers, I had them taken care of, but I figure, you know, start reaching out to them early summer and try to get them stocked up for next winter. I should actually get another load or 2 of firewood poles, but I just enjoy coming out here in the woods. It's not as productive. You can't make as much wood as fast as if you have log truck loads delivered, but I just like coming out here and doing this. Plus it's just laying everywhere and you got dead trees, like I said, so it just takes a little bit of time, and it's a wonderful time of year and a beautiful day to be out here. When I came out here a little bit ago, I mean, I had the tractor running, the chainsaw running, and right down over this hill here, there were 7 or 8 deer down there, and it's amazing how they know hunting season is over. I'm serious, it's crazy. Plus, the tractor chainsaw doesn't bother them as much if I were just to walk out here, which is really strange, but that's the way it is. You can almost drive up on them in the side-by-side or the tractor, but boy, you walk out here trying to be quiet, forget about it. So 2 quick reminders before we head over to the yard. Don't forget, on the 28th, Melissa and I will be at Messick's in Mount Joy at 1:30 till probably 4:30. I'm not sure what time it ends, but we'll be there for a meet and greet at their open house. And the other thing, last chance to send in your pictures that we're going to include in a video. I've asked people to send in pictures of them and their tractor or their grandkids or kids, whatever, Bobcat, excavator, whatever. Send pictures in and we will include them in a video. Send them to pics, P-I-C-S, OWTM @gmail.com. It's probably going to be 2 videos, maybe even 3. We'll space them out. But we've got probably 750 or 800 emails to that email address so far, and it is awesome. It really is. Looking through all those pictures, that's what I've been doing in the evenings. Levi's been organizing them all so I can just dump them into my video editor and put a video together. But some of the stories and the pictures just from all over the world, it's just fascinating being able to see what all of you do, because you get to see what we do all the time. All right, we're headed back to the wood yard. I don't want to hit you with a bunch of glare right here, but I wanted to show you something. This whole area here where I've been cutting wood, it is without a doubt the flattest piece of property we have on the whole place. And in the spring here, I got a couple of brush piles and things. I'd like to get this all cleaned up in here. I don't know why, actually. I'm just gonna hunt back here. But I mean, it would be a nice place to do something with, but I also kind of like it the way it is. I just need to clean up some of the down trees and stuff. But once the weather gets better, I'll come back here with the excavator, and hopefully by then we'll have that track loader. That should be coming soon as well. But I just love it back here. Beautiful spot. Straight ahead of me, way out there, you can see the new building. You know, this time of year in the summer, can't see much at all out here, but I don't know, it's probably 1,500 feet over there. It's not really that far. I always thought it'd be nice to, you know, fix this trail up through here, make a nice road back here, this flat spot, and use it for something. But I have some ideas, but I also don't want to mess it up either. I kind of like it the way it is. Right here next to this top of this valley here, got a bunch of real nice oaks right here. Really nice here. All right, we're getting over to the sketchy hill right here. I mentioned in the last video, I need to eliminate that sometime, that section of trail. That's something else on the list. You know, you got all those things kind of on the back burner, but you keep in the back of your head. It would be nice to take this right through here, below that big oak tree right there, and over that way, instead of having to go down this dip and back up the other side. All right, back over here at the wood splitter. But like I said, I think it's about 18 degrees right now. The sun is shining, but these Honda motors, man, are they great. 2 pulls, 18 degrees. Watch this. 1 pull. All right, I don't know if you can hear me or not, but I love this sound right here. You ready? Oh yeah. More wood in the wood bunker. That is such a good feeling. It really is. I could use about 10 times this amount though. So when I was running the log splitter there, it kind of dawned on me, I have been in a super good mood lately, and I don't know why. I mean, normally I'm a pretty happy person, usually in a good mood. We all have our ups and downs, but recently I've just been in a fantastic mood, and I was trying to figure out why, and I think a lot of it has to do with Eva after her surgery. I think that was kind of weighing on Melissa and I didn't even realize it at the time. We felt confident about the whole thing, but we're just very happy to have that behind us, and her doing so well is such a blessing, and we are just so thrilled about all that. And maybe that's what it is, probably is, but I feel like Archie, our dog. I get excited about everything now. I mean, it's 18 degrees and there's snow on the ground. I'm excited about that. I'm excited about spring, just everything. I've just been in a good mood, and it's been pretty nice. So, but anyway, I think that's about it. Don't forget, January 28th, Messick's, 1:30 p.m., Mount Joy, PA. Melissa and I will be there. Last chance to send your pictures in to be included in a video. There'll probably be 2 videos, maybe even 3 videos. There's so many pictures. And if you want a nice shirt, check out the link in the description. Melissa's up the house right now, cranking them out. So like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, share them with your friends. Thanks.